Greetings YouTubers, this is Ndumi. So I'm back with another video, and today I'm about to show you all how to do implicit casting, explicit casting, and type conversion methods. As you can see from the above code, we already started with implicit casting. This is implicit casting at its earnest form. So you see here I said int my int equals to 9, double my double equals to my int. I automatically casted an int into a double. So how would I display this on my console? As you already know, okay, you could display like that console.write my double, or you could say console.write my int. So here you're gonna get the same number regardless of whether you start with a double or an int, since it's both equal to 9. And I've made an int into a double, and then an int still retains its properties as an int, meaning that you have two data types you can use that have the same value. When you hit run here, the project is going to succeed and it's going to give you 99. This tells you that it is it's in implicit casting. We have casted a double into a whole number, made a double, which is usually a decimal, into a whole number. And now we're going to close that. I'm just going to take this and put it here. You'll see why in a second. Okay, now we're gonna do explicit casting. Now, explicit casting is manually converting a data type into another data type. You do this by manually placing a parenthesis in the type of, oh wait, you do this by manually placing a parenthesis in the data type in front. You know what, it's better if I show you this one. Explicit casting is very hard to explain, and I did explain it in my previous video. So double, let's say I'll start with double. Double is my data type here. Double my double. Double my decimal. Let's use my decimal for now. Double my decimal. I'm gonna make it at least 9.78. 9.78, right? And then I'm gonna say below that ends. Yeah, my int2 equal to. Now look at the interesting part. This is where the explicit casting really gets manual. When you say int, then you say my double, or my decimal actually. This is where you have done manual casting. Manual casting via from a double to an int. So you see, we just went from automatic casting, which was from int to double, and now we just went from double to int in our explicit casting. And how we would like show this on our console will be like this. Now excuse me, console.writeline, and I'm gonna make it my decimal. So let's see when we hit run what happens. Wait for it, it's loading a bit. And next I'm gonna go into type conversion methods. I'm gonna show you how to do that later on after we see the results from here. So as you can see, it's 9 and then 9.78. Do you know why this is the case? Because data types have properties. Each property is represented by the value you can put in that data type. As you can see here, we did my int, and it gives us 9. It rounded off to 9 from 9.78. It rounded off downwards to 9. And here my decimal returned the decimal value as it is, a double. But here above, it did not. Do you know why? This is automatic casting, this is manual casting, and this is where the key differences come in. Here you went from an integer to a double. An integer can always go to a double because a double always has a double. A double always has an integer number. As a 9 in a double, you refer to 9.00. But since there's no need for the 00, they do not include it here. Whereas here it's 9.78. Making it whenever you call a double is going to be 9.78. And whenever you translate it to an end, it's going to give you 9. Which is not really an exact figure, but it is close enough. So now then, let's move on to our type conversion methods. Type conversion methods are almost always used to convert data types explicitly by using built-in methods. Those built-in methods could be convert to boolean, convert to double, convert to string, convert to int32, all of the yada shit. There is a video in the description, I will link it, of me explaining every single detail about the convert to boolean, convert to double, etc. Now then, let's get into the code. How would I exactly type converge? Okay, how would I convert my data type using type conversion methods? On the start, I would say int, my int, oh wait. Remember the naming conventions? Yes, we follow those every single time we code. So now we have my int, right? It's actually my int 3. Yeah, it's my int 3. And then we're gonna have maybe double, snake. Just name it snake for no reason. I'm gonna say 5.25. Now you see, we're onto something here. We got an integer, we got a double. Now we're looking at what's the variable we haven't used? Let's use a bool. Gonna use a bool, my bool. Gonna use bool, my bool equal to, let's set it to true, yeah. Lovely. Now for the outputs, we're gonna say console right now. Convert to dot. Let's make it to string first. String, and then let's use snake. Yeah, let's use snake. This one. Then here I'm gonna say console the right line. They're gonna say converts. Convert to double. Let's say my int tray. Let's use my int tray. So you see, I'm converting this nigga into a double from an integer, right? Not gonna use snake. Come on, that's just dumb. Convert dot to. Let's convert this one to an integer. Int 32, and then we're gonna do this nigga. And then we're gonna have my double. So you see here, it converts a string into, it converts, sorry about this, it converts an int into a string. to string, and then in this one it converts an int into double, and then here it converts a double to an int. And that brings about the end of this video, I think. Yeah, let me just, okay, there's an error here. Look at this error. What's happening here? Oh, that's the error. C code, you can have errors such as this one and major errors which I do not even want to talk about at this point. But though this is our entire program, I'm going to run this thing now. We're all going to see how it converted each data type to another data type to another data type. From int to string, from int to double, from double to string. And as you can see, this is the results that show.